a lot about. Mental health was like, shake it off and move on. Life is, all that kind of attitude towards for a little mental health. But as soon I got mental depression for over 20 years now. You know what I mean? And so yeah, a lot of mindset got being like, when people talk about depression. But I think we said to it's a kind of going at depression. I think that it's a throwaway line for depression. That's a totally different depression. Talking about the real stuff, the imbalanced chemicals in your brain. But that is a deeper kind of for a depression. The people, when he talks about Robin Williams and how all that kind of stuff, none of that matters when you have this deep depression, anxiety, and it's closer to psychotic. Nên nếu pháp tế pháp của bộ là câu lắng là